Hey VegNews fam, I'm Food Editor Eddie Garza. Today it's cold outside, and I'm here to help you warm up with one of my very favorite holiday traditions, glühwein or mulled wine. The first thing we're gonna need is some red wine. This is just regular red table wine. Now, I'm gonna use just about 2 bottles of it, and we're gonna add this right into a pot. You don't need to go with a fancy wine for this. A 2-buck chuck will be just fine. Now we're gonna put this on medium-low heat, and we're gonna stir consistently while we add the rest of our ingredients. We don't want this wine to bubble, we just want it to get nice and warm. We'll start with a cup of natural cane sugar, 2 slices of orange right into the pot, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 6 whole cloves, and 2 beautiful star anise. And of course, the most important step is adding 2 ounces of our orange liqueur. Deliciously boozy holiday drink. And we'll let this get up to a simmer. All right, our mulled wine is ready. So now we're gonna strain right into a heat-proof bowl. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this warm recipe as much as we do here in the VegNews Test Kitchen.